Osaka, Japan to Haga, Japan, see Yuki ni. Hello. Hello, everyone. Oh, okay. By the way. This time, I'm doing live because I'm going to explain about Super Sentai series in Japan. That's like Power Ranger. Look about doing the Power Ranger series. That's like, I'll show you guys. Like this Power Ranger, 5 characters. Leader is red, yellow, black, pink,
in your area
and purple. Power Ranger. This was in 1993 in the US. And actually that is not original idea.
What?
That is from Japan. The idea is from Japan. And in Japan, when in 1975, a company published something drama, that's like 5 warriors or ranger. This is called Gorenja. This is Gorenja, and Gorenja means Usa to Ha Lo Upat Lima Ranger. Lima Ranger in Filipino accent. Go means 5 in Japanese. This was 1975. It's published, and 5 heroes fight to keep the world peace. And actually, this is still ongoing. Not just Gorenja. That's name changes every year. So concept lasts so long. The series is still going since 1975 until now. And when I was a child, it was 1992. It was forgot the name. The name was Jurenja. Jurenja. The concept is Dinosaur Ranger. This one, Jurenja. Actually, colors are the same with Gorenja or Power Ranger. Red is leader, and yellow, pink, blue, or purple, black. Maybe? This is Jurenja. The concept is dinosaur and the robot. They have a like vehicle or airplane, and it combines each other, and there'll be a big robot like, I forgot the name. The popular anime in the Philippines. Popular Japanese anime in the Philippines. Robot anime. What is 5? Yes. Jurenja. The series, one concept, only 1 year. So the series lasts for 40 years? 50 years? Can I calculate? How many years was it? 47 years or so long. So 3 years later, that's 50th anniversary. Grabe na. Taas, uy. Taas? So long. Next one was Dai Ranger. And the next one was Kaku Ranger. The concept is ninja. Yeah, ninja. This is Kaku Ranger. Concept is ninja. And this is a woman. And this is leader. Kaku Ranger. Kaoban Nasa Power Rangers Square Kaoban together. Power Ranger is different company. An American anime producer got inspired by Gorenja, so he tried to imitate in the US, and he tried many things. The series got popular in the US, but the idea was from Japan because the Super Sentai series is older than Power Ranger series. History is so long. Each concept, 1 year, one concept. And the next one was Oranger, Car Ranger. Car Ranger, I remember. Car Ranger is so literal. The concept is car. And actually the robot moves by accelerator. And the robot is from cars. See, this is a car. They combine each other. Unsaka na Ranger kuya Yuki. Ni Yawa Ranger. Yawa! The concept is Yawa. Just kidding. Historia hi. Mega Ranger, Kingaman, Gogo 5. Other concept is ambulance or rescue. And Magi Ranger. Magi Ranger is from magic or magician. So that's witch, like witch, magic ranger. They use kind of magic. I'm not sure. I haven't watched it. And the newest Super Sentai is, the newest one is Don Brother. What? Why Don Brothers? What's that? There are 46 Super Sentai series. Don Brothers. This is the newest. What's this? Why Don Brothers? Yeah, actors are so guapo because their strategy is how to attract women, 20 or 30 years old women. This is not just for children. Their strategy is how to catch women's heart. So actor is looking good, and this is yellow. Ah, cute. She's cute. Yellow. Oh, she's cute. Just explaining about Super Sentai series in Japan. The original idea of Power Ranger. Okay, salamat sa pagtanaw sa akong live. Sorry, kapoy na ko, uy. Okay, thank you. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Watching from UK. Oh, really? Watching from UK. Oh, I'm UK. se, Sentai? Sentai?
やめてください